What is a stylish wood furniture? Stylish wood furniture, a timeless appeal. Wood furniture is a timeless and versatile choice for any home decor style. With its natural beauty and warmth, wood furniture can add a touch of elegance and sophistication to any space. Whether you are looking for a rustic, modern, or traditional look, there is a wood furniture style to suit your taste. Wood furniture is also a durable and sustainable choice.
Wood furniture has a rich and diverse history, with distinct styles and preferences emerging from different cultures and regions. European elegance, Scandinavian minimalism, renowned for its clean lines, functionality, and natural wood tones. Scandinavian furniture embodies simplicity and elegance. Italian craftsmanship, a blend of art and functionality. Italian wood furniture is characterized by intricate carvings, luxurious materials, and a focus on design. French opulence, known for its ornate details, gilded accents, and luxurious fabrics, French furniture exudes sophistication and grandeur. British classicism, combining traditional craftsmanship with modern sensibilities, British wood furniture offers a timeless and refined aesthetic. Asian influence, Japanese minimalism, characterized by clean lines, natural finishes, and a focus on functionality. Japanese wood furniture embodies simplicity in harmony with nature. Chinese craftsmanship, with a history spanning centuries, Chinese wood furniture showcases intricate carvings, lacquer work, and a blend of traditional and contemporary designs. Indian artistry, featuring intricate carvings, vibrant colors, and a fusion of traditional and modern styles. Indian wood furniture. American style, rustic charm. American country-style furniture often features distressed wood, warm finishes, and a sense of comfort and homeliness. Modern elegance. Contemporary American wood furniture blends clean lines, minimalist aesthetics, and innovative designs with natural wood elements. Global fusion. In today's interconnected world, there is a growing trend toward fusion styles, blending elements from different cultures to create unique and eclectic pieces.
With proper care, wood furniture can last for generations. And because wood is a renewable resource, it is a more environmentally friendly choice than other materials such as plastic or metal. In addition to its beauty and durability, wood furniture is also very versatile. It can be used in a variety of settings, from the living room to the bedroom to the dining room. And it can be paired with a variety of other materials, such as metal, glass, and fabric. With the right selection, wood furniture can elevate the look and feel of a space. It can be paired with a variety of other materials, such as metal, glass, and fabric. With the right selection, wood furniture can elevate the look and feel of a space. It can add a touch of warmth, character, and personality to any room. If you are looking for a timeless and versatile way to add style to your home, wood furniture is a great option. Types of wood furniture. Solid wood, known for its durability and natural beauty, solid wood furniture is a classic choice. Popular options include oak, walnut, cherry, and mahogany. Veneer, a layer of wood applied over engineered wood. Veneer furniture offers a luxurious look at a more affordable price point. Reclaimed wood adds a unique character to your space, as it's made from repurposed wood with visible signs of its past life. MDF, medium-density fiberboard often used for modern designs. MDF provides a smooth surface for various finishes. Popular wood furniture styles, modern, clean lines, minimalist designs, and often featuring light-colored woods like ash or maple. Mid-century modern, iconic style characterized by organic shapes, tapered legs, and a blend of wood and other materials. Rustic, warm and inviting, rustic furniture showcases the natural beauty of wood with distressed finishes and chunky elements. Scandinavian, emphasizes simplicity, functionality, and natural light, often using light-toned woods like birch. Industrial, combines raw wood with metal accents for a contemporary and edgy look. Choosing the right wood finish, the finish significantly impacts the overall appearance of your furniture. Consider these options. Natural, highlights the wood's grain and color. Stained, enhances the wood's color and character. Painted, offers endless color possibilities and can transform the furniture's style. Distressed, creates a vintage or aged look. Incorporating wood furniture into your home, living room, a wooden coffee table, TV stand, or bookshelf can be the focal point of your living space. Dining room, a solid wood dining table and chairs create a timeless and elegant atmosphere. Bedroom, a wooden bed frame, nightstands, or dresser adds warmth and sophistication. Home office, a wooden desk and storage units provide a classic and functional workspace. What should we consider when choosing stylish wood furniture? Look for high-quality hardwoods like oak, maple, cherry, or walnut. These woods have a natural beauty and durability. Consider the grain pattern and color of the wood. Darker woods like walnut have a rich, elegant look, while lighter woods like maple have a more casual, Scandinavian feel. Look for clean, simple lines and minimal ornamentation for a modern, sophisticated aesthetic. Avoid overly ornate or busy designs. Pay attention to the construction. Well-made furniture should have sturdy joinery like mortise and tenon or dovetail joints. Mixing different wood tones and textures can create an interesting, layered look. For example, pairing a dark wood table with light wood chairs. Incorporate wood furniture with other natural materials like leather, woven rattan, or stone for visual interest. The key is to find wood furniture that balances beauty, quality, and your personal style preferences. Why stylish furniture are important? Timeless aesthetic. Wood is a classic, versatile material that never goes out of style. Well-designed wood furniture can elevate the look and feel of any room. Wood's natural warmth and character adds visual interest to a space. Functional durability. High-quality wood furniture is built to last for decades. Solid wood construction provides stability and longevity. Superior craftsmanship ensures the furniture can be passed down.
Adaptable design. Wood furniture works well in a variety of interior design styles. Clean, simple wood pieces complement both modern and traditional decor. The natural tones and grains of wood make it easy to mix and match. Customizable style. Wood furniture can be stained, painted, or finished in different ways. Personalized wood pieces allow for unique, one-of-a-kind style. Mixing wood tones, textures, and finishes creates visual depth. Investment value. Well-made wood furniture retains its value over time. Heirloom quality pieces can be inherited or resold. Investing in durable wood furnishings pays off in the long run. Eco-friendly sustainability. Wood is a renewable, biodegradable resource. Responsibly sourced wood furniture supports environmentally conscious consumers. The long lifespan of wood furnishings reduces waste. Versatile functionality. Wood furniture is highly adaptable for different uses and spaces. Pieces like desks, tables, and dressers provide practical storage and workspace. Wood's natural beauty complements a wide range of decor styles.